Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Villa Rica, long distance movers near me. We can move your assets inside the state, locally, or across state limits at 3 Movers. We have an incredible working relationship with the federal and local officials accountable for the relocation process. We have protection plans set up because we care more about our clients and their things. This insurance plan covers liabilities during the move. Our movers and drivers are dependable, dedicated, and ready to relocate your things without getting them lost. You will not have to stress about being cheated on the grounds that every one of our services are affordable. Local moves are significantly more affordable than long distance moves. Our rates are reasonable, going from $30 to $40 each hour. Our movers are completely authorized and focused on giving the most efficient and affordable help. We have a lot of experience with working in busy urban communities and areas, so moving your belongings to you will not be troublesome. Our team of local movers is the most committed, and we are open to assist you with migration plans 24 hours a day, every day, 7 days a week. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Villa Rica moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.